Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today let's see how to configure a chef. In the previous video we have shown how to install a chef, so please do refer the previous tutorial for the installation process. Now let's proceed with the configuration of chef here. You can now run the following command to start all the services required for the chef to work. The above command will take few minutes to complete as it installs and configures all the components of chef server. Once successfully finished, you should get the following message at the end. Now you can check if the services are started successfully by running the following command. Now you should see the following output. So if you see the following output, proceed the next step. The next step will be installing the web management console. Chef provides a web-based graphical user interface to administrator Chef server. You can use the GUI-based console to manage database. So to install a Chef manage, run the following command. Now the Chef manage has been installed. Now you have to reconfigure Chef again by typing the command. Now finally configure the Chef manage by running the following command. Now Chef Manager has been reconfigured. The next step will be creating an administrator and an organization. Before you log in and use the administrative console, you will need to create a user and organization. During a user and organization creation, it automatically generates a RSA private keys which are required to connect to workstation and client. And you can create a new .chef directory to store the keys. Run the command to create a new directory to store the private. Now we have to create a new administrator by running the following command. Now in this command, replace admin with your preferred username and chef with your first name and administrator with the last name, and chef@linuxhelp.com with your email, and admin.pem should be according to your username. Replace the password with a strong password. Now create a new organization by running the following command. Here in this command, replace my_org with the short name of your organization, my organization with the full name of your organization, and admin with the administrative user you have created. Now the configuration has been done. Now access your web console. Now here you have to give your IP address. So in this it shows your connection is not secure. Go to advanced and add an exception. Confirm. Now you can access the web console of a Chef Manage. Here give your username and password you have created. Once you have logged in, you will see the following interface. So this is how we can configure the chef manage on Ubuntu 17.04, and we can see how to install optional plugins in our upcoming video. So thanks for watching this tutorial.
If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.